Hello dear Tanthies, I am Mrs. Ekta God with my new one video for the chapter How do organisms reproduce. In this video, I am going to explain you about the asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. As it is the part 10 and I am going to tell you about the fragmentation which is the part of asexual reproduction. So, fragmentation seen in multicellular organisms which have a relatively simple body organization like Spirogyra. So, as Spirogyra is also a multicellular organism, but it is not having the developed reproductive organs with the reproductive system. That's why it shows different kind of asexual reproduction. That name is fragmentation. Spirogyra has a filamentous body. So what is the meaning of filamentous? As filamentous means the body or that any object can be break down the smaller pieces. These smaller pieces are known as fragments. So because of the fragments, that Spirogyra body is known as the filamentous body. चलो इसके बारे में और जान लेते हैं. Now here you can see the ladder-like structures. I did try to show you the many spirogyras. They all are looking just like ladder and all are showing the small pieces in their structure. These small pieces are known as fragments. So because of such kind of body, spirogyras has the filamentous body. So these all are the filamentous spirogyra. So now what is fragmentation? Actually, each fragment has the capacity to form a new individual. So these fragments are the complete cell of the Spirogyra because each fragment can convert into the new individual. How? As you can see in this picture, Spirogyra filament. So this is such kind of filament. Here you can see this is the complete cell. This is also the complete cell. But if it has to reproduce, then it has the ability to divide in the new individual. अब ये देखो यहाँ से ये break हो गया है ना, तो that fragment will start to regenerate itself. So that is the regenerating fragment of Spirogyra. Here that is the parent part, another regenerating fragment. If it has to be regenerate again, then again it can be divisible from here and it will convert into the new Spirogyra. So because one piece, one cell of the body of the Spirogyra is able to reproduce a new young one, that's why it is known as fragmentation. Fragmentation is unique. Why? Because all multicellular organisms cannot show cell by cell division as cells form tissues, which forms organs. These organs are placed at definite position in the body. Hence, they need to use more complex method of reproduction. तो जितने भी मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनमें सेल बाय सेल डिवीजन हो रहा है कि सेल से टिश्यूज बनेंगे, टिश्यूज से ऑर्गन्स बनेगा. लेकिन यहाँ पर स्पाइरोगायरा मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है, बट स्टिल इसकी एक ही सेल, कंप्लीट सेल इज एबल टू reproduce the young ones. So fragmentation is unique kind of formation present in the Spirogyra. Now it's time for the quiz. Learn more with the help of the different kind of questions. Your first question is, which type of reproduction present in Spirogyra? Let's see the options. Sexual reproduction, fission, fragmentation और the regeneration. तो आपको यहाँ स्पाइरोगायरा में जो भी रिप्रोडक्शन होता है वो बताना आंसर. चलिए check your answer. So your answer is fragmentation. जैसा भी आपको मैंने बताया, और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि जो स्पायरोगायरा है, they are having the ladder-like structure. They are having the little fragments in their body. So that's why fragmentation kind of reproduction present in Spirogyra. Question number 2 is, which of the following is not true about fragmentation? तो अभी आपको इन ऑप्शंस में से बताना है जो बात फ्रेगमेंटेशन के लिए सही नहीं है, वो ऑप्शन आपको चूज करना है. ऑप्शन 1 इज द फ्रेगमेंट विल ग्रो इनटू अ न्यू इंडिविजुअल. ऑप्शन बी इज द फ्रेगमेंट विल बी अ क्लोन ऑफ द पेरेंट. द फ्रेगमेंट कैन नॉट रीजेनरेट. Fragmentation is a form of asexual reproduction. So here you have the 4 points. 3 are correct for the fragmentation and 1 is wrong. So just you have to find out the wrong answer. Check your answer. Yes, the fragment cannot regenerate. So it is very wrong, because when it will detach from the parent body, after detaching that fragment has to regenerate. उसको दोबारा से develop होना होता है. So that's why this is the wrong statement for the fragmentation. Your question number 3 is, which of the following does not reproduce via fragmentation? Option 1 dogs, option 2 corals, option 3 starfish, option 4 yeast. तो अब इन चारों में से आपको बताना है जो फ्रेगमेंटेशन शो नहीं कर सकता है. चलिए चेक योर आंसर. Yes, answer is dog. Why? Because corals, starfish and yeast, they are the lower kind of organisms, but dog is a higher multicellular organism. It has well-developed reproductive system with the well-developed reproductive organs. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. When an organism breaks into two or more dash and each dash develops into a new organism, it is called fragmentation. So now you have to fill the answer in the blanks. Your first option is organism, second option is fragment, third option is pieces, fourth option is parts. तो अब आपको बताना है यहां पर क्या वर्ड है जो फिल किया जाएगा. Let's check the answer. Yes, here will come the fragment. Now again I am reading this answer for you. When an organism breaks into two or more fragments and each fragment develop into a new organism, it is called fragmentation. So from here you can learn the complete definition of fragmentation also. Let's see the next question. Spirogyra has a dash type of body. अब आपको यहाँ पर फिलअप में फिल करना है कि स्पायरोगायरा की बॉडी किस तरह की होती है. ऑप्शन ए इज रिबन, ऑप्शन बी इज सर्कुलर, ऑप्शन सी इज ट्रायंगुलर, ऑप्शन डी इज फिलामेंटस. Just here you can see the spirogyras also. Check your answer. Yes, it is filamentous. As you can see, spirogyras are looking in the form of filaments. So spirogyra has a filamentous type of body. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Ribbon shaped chloroplast is the characteristic feature of option A Spirogyra, option B Chlamydomonas, option C Rixia, option D Eulothrix. Spirogyra. एज क्लेमाइडोमोनास, रिक्सिया, यूलोथ्रिक्स, ये आपके लिए भी थोड़े न्यू नेम्स हैं, बट इस वीडियो में मैंने आपको स्पायरोगैरा के बारे में बताया है। तो दैट मीन्स आई एम गोइंग टू टेल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्पायरोगैरा, तो उससे भी आप करेक्ट आंसर का अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं। तो रिबन शेप्ड क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ स्पायरोगैरा, डोंट फॉरगेट इट, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू इज Spirogyra is a option A fresh water and free floating algae, option B marine and free floating algae, option C fresh water and locomotory algae, option D none of the above। तो अब आपको ये याद करना है कि स्पायरोगायरा किस तरह का ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, कहां पर उसका हैबिटेट होता है। सो स्पायरोगायरा इज फ्रेश वाटर एंड फ्री फ्लोटिंग एल्गी। तो आपको याद करना है कि स्पायरोगायरा जहां भी फ्रेश वाटर होगा वहां पर ये मिलेगा, और ये फ्री फ्लोटिंग काइंड ऑफ एल्गी है। ये मैराइन नहीं है, फ्रेश वाटर में मिलता है, लोकोमोटरी एल्गी नहीं है, इट कैन बी फ्लोट ओनली, इट कैन नॉट वॉक, so that's why we have used the term locomotory algae. So Spirogyra is a freshwater and free floating algae. Next question is Pyrenoid is found in one of the following part of Spirogyra. अब आपको बताना है कि पायरिनॉइड स्पायरोगायरा के किस पार्ट में प्रेजेंट होते हैं। ऑप्शन ए साइटोप्लाज्म, ऑप्शन बी सेल वॉल, ऑप्शन सी क्लोरोप्लास्ट, ऑप्शन डी न्यूक्लियस। आपको पता है तो आप बताइए, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू लर्न दिस आंसर। चेक योर आंसर। Chloroplast. So pyrenoid is protein content which is found in the Spirogyra, and these are present in the chloroplast of the Spirogyra. Next question is which is not an example of fragmentation. अब आपको इनमें से बताना है जो फ्रेगमेंटेशन का एग्जाम्पल नहीं है। ऑप्शन ए worms, ऑप्शन बी lichens or lichens, roses, Spirogyra. So answer is roses. Why? Because worms, lichens and Spirogyra are multicellular, but they are lower count kind of multicellular organisms. But roses are the well-developed higher multicellular organisms. Again, they are having the well-developed reproductive organs with the well-developed reproductive system. That's why roses cannot show the process of fragmentation. So it was about the few MCQs. In my next video, I am going to explain you about the regeneration. Regeneration is also a kind of asexual reproduction. So just like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.